ሰላም ተኸታተልቲ Eri-YK ቴክ ለማዓንቲ ፍሊፕ ዝበለ ቪድዮ መፂናኩም ኣለና ከምኡን መስተኻለ መጠን ካብ 3 ደቂቕ እስካብ 4 ደቂቕ ብእንግሊዝኛ ከመይ ጌርና ምስ ሰባት ኮሙኒኬት ወይ ከዓ ከም እንላለ ሕፅር ብዝበለ ቪድዮ ኢና መፂናኩም ነዛ ቪድዮ ስጋዕ መጨረሻ ክትርእይዋ እውን ይዕድመኩም ቅድሚ ናብዛ ቪድዮ ምሕላፍኩም ግን ላይክ ሼር ሰብስክራይብ ክትገብሩ ይሓትት እዚያ ቻናል ሓዳስ ስለ ዝኾነት እውን ሰብስክራይብ ምግባር ንዓኹም ቀላል ነገር ንዓና ግን ብዙሕ ዋጋ ዘለዋ እዩ እሞ ሰብስክራይብ ግበሩ ፕሊዝ
Hi salam hello salam what's your name Sankaman you my name is Sami what's your name Sami Pal many Simki I am Samira nice to meet you Samira Pal Subuk Leila nice to meet you too Subuk Leila Where are you from Kabimizika I am from Kenya. Where are you from? Kabagare Kenya Miziki. Kabimiziki. I am from Eritrea. Kabirtra Yemiziki. How old are you? Kende Yudmaki. I am 25. What about you? Tran Hamshani Amatay. Nisraha. I am 28 years old. It's not Montani Amatay. Amatay. Where do you live? Abay Khatanabar. I live in London. Where do you live? Ab London Yiznaber Nisakh Abay Khatanabri. I live in Asmara, but I'm currently living in Canada. I was managed Naber, can hijab Canada Yiznaber. What do you do? I work at a school. I'm a teacher in you. Mamad Mumukhana bit Murti Yizarah Nisraka. I work at a bank as a general manager. A banki kama Kaidisrah Koina Yizarah. What does your father do? Abuhanta Yizarah. My father works at a hospital. He's a doctor. Abuya Hakimuna Yizarah Hakimun you. That's great, boy. What do your parents do? My father works at a cafe and my mother is a housewife. Abuya cafe يسرح عليك بعد حدارية. حجانا كذا صرحنا بارتو أنا بارتو سقع سراهوكن سبسكرايب مقبار يدرسعون وزا فيديو سقع مترسل سلزراهما. Thank you.